Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our monthly closeout. So these are my finished challenges in this bag. You can see how thick she is. Look at all those in there. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna see what I saved from each category and what our monthly total savings were. And then in the next video, I will reallocate my minis and my tinies to my sinking funds. So I'm not sure actually if I should do it in the same video and make it like a really long video. I don't know if y'all like that better or if y'all like having them in separate videos. I'm really not sure. So let me know in the comments what you prefer. I've done it both ways. I think 2 separate videos is better just because then it's not like so long and but I don't know because they're kind of related. But either way, enough yapping and we're just gonna get into it. So I'm gonna organize all of these into my different categories and I'll be right back. All right, so we have debt binders, Freebie Friday, Mini Monday, and Tiny Tuesday. So let's see how many challenges total we completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 challenges. So I'm gonna write that down actually. What'd I say? 24. Oh my gosh, you guys, I already forgot. 24. Let me recount real fast.
A few moments later.
Okay, yes, 24. So let's start with Festive Freebie Friday because these ones don't have any cash because I put them directly into my envelopes when I'm done with them. All right, so this one by Budget with Amanda saved us a total of 12, and this one saved us 40, so we saved 52 with our Friday challenges. Okay, next let's do Tiny Tuesday. I'm just gonna set these to the side. So we had Vicky Thinks with $8. My Little Froggy Challenge saved us 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, Budget with Amanda saved us 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And Happy to Save with Hannah saved us 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, and 2. $42, okay, which is a lot less than last month, but that's okay. It's probably just because, you know, the way we had our challenges at the beginning of the month and we just didn't get through as many. So next month we should have more. Okay, before I forget, let me write this down. So Tiny Tuesday, 42. So all of these savings from Tiny Tuesday will go towards my sinking funds for Aria. All right, let's do Mini Monday next. So we just finished this one by the Mrs. Champion. It should save 16, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one was by Kia B Budgets, or It's Kia B, and that saved us 18. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. This one was by Cash Stuffing Canadian, and we saved 12. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one by Bookish Mama Budgets saved us 15. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This one was also by Bookish Mama Budget, saved us 16, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one by Budgeting with T, saved us 19, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And this one by Overthinking and Budgeting saved us 24, 21, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so in total we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 117 for Mini Mondays. That's pretty good. All right, and last but not least, we have our finished debt binder challenges. So this first one was Budgeting Community Style by Nurse Court Budgets. We saved $30. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oops. This one we finished. This was a big one, and it saved 100, but we only, oh, did I not write it down? We didn't save that much because we had already pulled out some money. So let's see how much we did save. We have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay. Then we had two challenges here by Ladybug Budgets. This one saved us 25, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this one was just in there, I guess. Never mind. We only finished one. All right, this one was, what was this one? Oh, yes, the Hot Mess Express, which saved us 12. We did it a low budget way, so 10 and 12. This one, what was this one? Oh, the bingo card. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, so we have 25, 35, 45, 6, 7. This game board saved us 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. This one by Vicky Thinks saved us 40. This one by Liam's Mom saved us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one by Nurse Court Budgets, this dice game. Should have 63. Let's see. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. This one by Penny Pincher Budgets saved 20, 30, 1, and 2. And last but not least, we have Trina at Hippies, Puppies, Kittens, and Budget. This one should have saved us 24, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so all together, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 10, 20, wait, I'm getting confused. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 310. Oops. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, you guys. 310, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 347. Oh my gosh, I hope that's right. 347 with all of our debt binders. So that is going to go towards our emergency fund, because I don't know if you're new here, I had to use my emergency fund. So I'm rebuilding that up, and then when that is built up, I will put that towards debt. So it should be good, actually. Or almost there, because I can't remember what I have in it right now. I'll have to check, but we should be very close to getting that to 1,000, which is exciting. Okay. All right, so let me do some math here and we'll figure out how much we saved total for this month. All right, I just double checked with Alexa that my mental math was correct, but we saved $558 this month with all of our completed savings challenges. So that is very exciting. All right, and that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Come back. I guess I am going to split it into 2 videos. Come back if you haven't subscribed yet. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see my reallocation of these Mini Monday into my sinking funds and the Tiny Tuesday into Aria's sinking funds. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.